Hello, I'm Simmie, and today I'm going to be making crepes. These crepes are actually very healthy and they can be eaten for breakfast or dessert. So let's get started. All you will need is milk, and you can use any type of milk you want. Syrup, and I'm going to be using sugar-free today. Oats, but you can use any type of oats you want, like rolled oats or old-fashioned oats are also okay. And 2 very large eggs. To start, I'm going to be taking a cup of my quick oats and grinding it up in this blender. It sort of becomes a flour texture when it's all finished. It's a good idea to shake it up a little bit and then grind it again. Once you have your oats all ground up, we can add our other ingredients into the blender. I'm going to add 1 cup of almond milk, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, and just a little bit of salt for taste. Now that we have all our ingredients, we can blend them all together. Our crepes should be a smooth texture. Like this. Now that my batter is done, I can start pouring it onto the pan. But first, I'm going to spray it with some pans so my batter doesn't stick. And then I'm going to take my mixture and just pour it on. And just spread it out throughout the pan so it takes up the entire circle. These crepes are very thin, so don't put too much batter on. So I'm just spreading it out to make a perfect circle like so. These don't take too long to cook, so be careful that you don't burn them. So now it's on the batter and it's good. So I'm going to put my flame on and let it cook. These cook very quickly, but be careful to not flip them too soon or else they'll fall apart. When the edges start to peel off like that, you know you're ready to flip. I couldn't really record while I was flipping it, but this is what my other side looks like. I might flip it once more so I can get more of a crispy texture on my crepe. And I filled mine with some strawberries and some bananas, and I put the extra bananas on top. And I decided to drizzle a little bit of maple syrup on it for some sweetness. So let's try it. Really good. How is it?
It's really good. This is so good.